Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create circle text in Adobe Express. So let's started. At first, open your Adobe Express document. In this video, I will show make circle text. Now go into the text menu option, then click. Now add your text. Now for select, then click for now type your text. Then now you can see type from text, this text make from circle text. Now go into the text layout option. Now select, then select from a circle text option. That is, now you can see make circle text in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for